Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Grape Zevia. This one's at Costco, and I got a pack here, so we're going to do a quick taste test. There's the nutrient ingredients, and there's the panel there. So carbonated water, citric acid, and Zevia. So let's try this out. Actually pretty good. It has quite a bit of a grape flavor to it. Very surprised on how well it tastes. You know how the regular grape soda would have like coloring and stuff. There's like no coloring. Actually, it's pretty tasty. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos. And it has a lot of grape aroma to it.